Still manually sorting data, writing reports, or organizing tasks? Let's fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to automate your daily work using ChatGPT and Google Sheets. No coding required. Welcome to Smart Tech Lab, where I dive into AI tools, productivity hacks, and smart workflows to help you get more done in less time. Here's the magic. When you combine ChatGPT with Google Sheets, you unlock a powerhouse for generating content, analyzing data, cleaning up lists, and managing projects automatically. Imagine turning hours of repetitive work into minutes with just a few smart prompts and clicks. Let's get started. Step 1. Prompting ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to whip up templates for you. That might mean email drafts, task breakdowns, content plans, or even formulas for your spreadsheets. Just type your request into ChatGPT and watch it generate ready-to-use templates you can copy straight into your workflow. Step 2. Connect to Google Sheets. Take those outputs from ChatGPT and paste them directly into your spreadsheet. Or if you want to get fancy, use extensions like GPT for Sheets and Docs to pull responses straight into your cells, all in real time. Step 3. Data cleaning. Got messy lists? No problem. Feed them into ChatGPT and let it clean up product names, remove duplicates, or reformat data exactly how you need. Your spreadsheet goes from chaos to order in seconds. Step 4. Automated summaries. Want to save time on reports? Let AI formulas inside Sheets generate weekly summaries, client updates, or project highlights for you. All automatically. Just set it up once and get neat summaries every week. No extra effort. Step 5. Daily workflow automation. Now, take it up a notch by scheduling automations with Google Scripts or Zapier. This way, your sheets can update themselves and even send out reports, totally hands-free. Bonus time. Here's how real people are using this combo right now. Automating budget trackers, scheduling social media posts, managing leads, and even replying to customer support emails. The possibilities are endless, and you don't need to write a single line of code. Quick security tip. Never feed sensitive or confidential data into public AI tools. Stick to template placeholders if you're working with anything private. So, with ChatGPT and Google Sheets, you can automate almost anything. No coding required, just smart workflows. Want more AI and productivity hacks? Subscribe to Smart Tech Lab and get smarter every week.